Hey there, Bernie here with Russ Darrow of Wauwatosa.
So, how were your holidays and what was your favorite part?
Oh man, the holidays, they were great. I got to spend it with family, but by far my favorite part of it was the food. It was those dishes that you get like once a year, tamales, pozole. Mm, I, nothing beats the food.
Do you have any New Year's resolution?
Yeah, drink more water.
New Year, new vehicle. Which 2024 models are you most excited about and why?
Yeah, throughout the new Kia lineup, the most exciting ones are definitely the redesign of the Sorento. So in 2024, the Sorento is going to look completely different. And then, as you guys may have already known, we're one of the first ones in the state of Wisconsin to get the brand new all-electric 3-row EV9. So I'm really excited. I got to see one in person. I really like it. I think everybody should check it out.
What is one goal you have in 2024?
In 2024, one goal that I want that I'm aiming for is to really get myself a vehicle. Like, as you guys may already know or don't know, 2 kids, so we need a third row, and that one we're gonna keep forever. So I'm excited to shop. So that's the goal.